we talked about reflections, and I think that was pretty easy. So today we're learning another type of rigid transformation. And again, rigid just means that the shape shouldn't change. Whatever it started as, it ends as, and it doesn't change size at all, okay? However, it can be slid around or reflected, so it gets flipped upside down maybe. That's fine, okay? So today we're looking at translation, and translation in math really just means to slide. So you can see how we've got this little figure right here, and there's this little arrow, and it's saying I'm going to go to the right some, and then we're just going to move it down some, and that's exactly what we're doing today. A translation is a vertical and or horizontal slide, okay? All it's doing is moving your figure left, right, up, or down. That's all it's doing. Super easy. And we have this symbolic form where it says, hey, we're going to start with any ordered pair, x comma y, all right? And the translation, so this little arrow means it's going to become, all we have to do is say, hey, we've got this x, and we're going to add some number to it. Not parentheses, comma, take your y and add some k value to it. Sorry, that was a typo there. All right. So x plus h, comma, y plus k. All we're doing is adding a value to the x and the y. The h represents the horizontal shift. That's the horizontal movement, left or right. And the k is with the y. The y is the vertical axis, and so the k represents the vertical shift. So it's really just telling you we're going to move h units to the horizontally and k units vertically. It turns out to be much easier than this. It's weird. Translations result in congruent polygons. All right, they are the same exact size as what we start with. So this is going to turn out to be quite easy. Here we go. We want to graph and label each figure, give the new coordinates. So to start, we have triangle ABC. I'm going to graph this in pink. So we have, let's go ahead and graph our points here, the vertices. A is at negative 6, 4. That's 6 to the left. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is point A. B is at 4, 1. So that's 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up 1. And C is at negative 7, negative 1. So negative 7, negative 1 is right here. And so here we have our pre-image triangle ABC. So there is our little pre-image. And so we have this symbolic notation right here. And it's saying, hey, take your ordered pair, whatever your ordered pair started with, and all we're going to do is we're going to add 3 to the x. What do you suppose that does? If we take our x coordinate, let's say right here, B, we take our x coordinate and we add 3 to it. What does that do to this point? It moves it. Yeah, that right now it's out of 4. If you added 3 to it, it would be over here at 7, right? So it's 4 and it goes 5, 6, 7. All that plus 3 says is move right 3 units. Okay, that's all it's telling you to do. What do you suppose the y plus 2 is telling you to do? Go up 2. That's exactly right. The y direction, the y-axis goes up and down. And if it says add 2, that's going to move you up 2. All right? And so that's really all that stuff tells you is exactly how to move. So because it's positive, we're going to go to the right 3, and positive 2 would mean up 2 in the y direction. So all we have to do is take each point and move right 3 and up 2. So we're just going to count 1, 2, 3 to the right, 2 units up, and right here is our new A prime. We went 3 blocks to the right and 2 blocks up. I'm going to take point B and I'm going to count 3 to the right and 2 blocks up. 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, up, and here is B prime. And for C, same thing. 3 to the right and 2 up. So 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2 blocks up. And so here is C prime. And that's it. There is our translated figure. So let's see, what is my ordered pair here? At A prime, it looks like it's 1, 2, negative 3, up 6, negative 3, up 6. What's the ordered pair for B prime? 7, up 3, good. And what's the ordered pair for C prime? Yep, negative 4, up 1. So 4 to the left, up 1. So all we're doing is counting, ladies and gentlemen, plotting your ordered pairs and counting. Let's look at number 2. So we have trapezoid KLMN. So again, we're starting by graphing our ordered pairs here. K is at 1, up 3. So there's K. Please label your points. L is at 2, up 7, almost to the top there. M is at 7, 2. Thank you. And then N is at 3, 1. N is at 3, 1. All right, so here we have our pre-image. Got your pre-image graph, and now it says we want to take our ordered pairs and do x minus 8. What do you suppose x minus 8 tells you to do? Left is correct. So again, x, the x direction, the x-axis is left and right. And if it says subtract 8, subtraction moves you to the left. So this is left 8 units. And what does y minus 7 tell you to do? Down 7. Yeah, the y-axis is our vertical axis. And if it says subtract 7, that's going to go down 7. So that is down 7. So lots of counting here. Left 8. And then down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Puts us right here for K prime. L, 8 to the left, and down 7 would be right here. L prime. M, if I go left 8, puts me about here. And then down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm over one. No, that was right. Oh, 8, that's right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 7. So there is M prime and N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N prime. Nice thing is, this is easier on that's math. All right, so our new ordered pairs. What is the ordered pair for K prime? -7, -4. Beautiful. L, it looks like -6, 0. Good. -6, 0. M prime. Good. -1, -5. And N prime. Beautiful. Good job. All right. Questions so far? Let's look down at number 6. Let's look down at number 6. All right, at number 6, you got triangle GHI. G is at -7, up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is point G. H is at -4, -2. And I is at -8, -1. So that is point I. So here's our little triangle. Triangle GHI. All right, looking at our notation here, we've got our ordered pairs and we want to slide them. What does x plus 6 tell you to do? Yeah, again, this is the x direction, so the x-axis is horizontal. And so that's going to say we're going to go to the right 6 units. What do you suppose it means if it's just y and it doesn't have any pluses or minuses? It stays. Yeah, it's like +0. No, don't move anything. It stays the same. And so you don't have to go up or down at all. Okay, so we're just sliding to the right 6. So I'm just going to take each of these points and just go right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is G prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's H prime and I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all we're doing is counting. I'm curious if we could have done this when we were kindergartners. Probably, right? All right. Let's see. So G prime looks like it's -1 up 5. Yeah. H prime is 2, -2. Good. And I prime is -2, -1. Beautiful. Okay. Do you guys have any questions so far? No. All right. I think that's fine. I don't think we need to do any more. Is that good for you? Okay. All right.